All right, I'm back with this gunfight set. As I had a comment that it was a little bit goofy, was a glitch on the right character and stuff, and I did see a glitch before I did this. I actually stabilized the board, and I have found that you will get goofiness if you don't have the brackets on these boards. So I went ahead and did that, and it's really stabilized it out. And I'm not seeing any goofiness with it not shooting the cactuses and stuff like that. What I did was I actually fashioned a controller hookup. And I found two controllers that I had that had the cords cut off. I don't know why I had the cords cut off of these, but I did. And what I did was I just fashioned connectors on them so that I could hook them up. This one's player 1 right here, and I'm actually just using the ground because I'm using the ground for positions 1 and 2 are actually coin and start. But I've got all of these ribbon cables wired into this thing. And I've got right player is hooked up right now, and this is left player. So I can test both of them. Right now I'm hooked up on right player, so we'll go ahead and I'll set this thing up and I'll play this game with the right player, and then I'll do the left player. Okie doke. I don't know how good that's coming through, to be honest. I think it's really... If I turn the light off, it might come through a little bit better. I got the brightness all the way down on this thing. Well, let's just roll with that. So we'll go ahead and start, and we're playing with the right player right now. Okay. You can shoot the cactuses. See that? And here's the stagecoach. You go gun up and down. There you go. Hey, partner. Now I'm going to switch over to the left player. Okay. Which is which? I don't know. Alright. And which is the left player? I don't know. This one. Okay, I think that's how it goes. And I think this is how this goes. Alright, let's try that. See if I got it hooked up right. Push the start button. Alright, left player, there we go. I ran out of bullets. I was messing around shooting at cactuses, so I was wasting my time. Okay. You can see you don't shoot through the cactuses. And or the trees. There you go. All right, that's just a little quick recap of this. You really need to, when you're testing these 80/80 games, you need to stabilize the boards with the brackets because you can get goofiness. Like this thing's working perfect as it should. So, and I'm glad I did this. I was like, I need a way to test controls without just touching on things because that's not good. So this works good, and yeah, so excellent. Gunfight. So I just wanted a little update. I wanted to go through this little update and put some minds at ease that it is working as it should. No problems. And this thing's run for about 4 hours, so it's good to go. So I'm going to end it right there. The little update. Thanks for the comments, and yeah, it's all good. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next Classic Arcade Repair. Bye for now.